Standard digital animation is often too perfect. If you want an authentic, handmade stop-motion feel, you need Ultimate StopMotion. First, divide your main window into two sections. At the top, place the 3D viewport so you can see your models, and at the bottom, place the timeline so you can view the animations. For objects, simply select the object. For armatures, select the armature, enter pose mode, and press A to select all bones, or just select the specific bones you want to affect. It works with any animation, whether it has 2 keyframes or hundreds. Let's apply the effect to this character. Open the Ultimate Stop Motion tab in the side menu. Select the armature, enter pose mode, and press A to select all bones. These bones already have animation applied. Next, check the first and last keyframes. This is usually the range you want to use, but you can also apply the effect to a specific segment of the animation if needed. Set these values in the start frame and end frame fields. Now let's talk about steps. Steps define how many frames each pose is held, which simulates traditional stop-motion timing. A value of 2 is the most common choice for classic stop-motion. Here are a few examples showing how different step values affect the motion. Next, choose the interpolation mode. Stop motion gives you that choppy, handcrafted look. Linear creates straight movement without holding poses. Smooth adds acceleration and deceleration, similar to the look used in some modern stop motion films. Now for the fun part, noise settings. Perfect stop motion can feel a bit robotic, so with time jitter, you can randomize the steps to create a more imperfect, handmade feel. You can also add randomness to position, rotation, and scale. Usually, small values are enough, but you can exaggerate them if you want a more stylized result. One important thing to remember, for the noise to work on a specific transform, like position, rotation, or scale, your original animation must already have keyframes on that channel. For example, if you only have position keyframes, rotation noise won't have any effect. When everything is ready, hit apply. Keep in mind that the idea behind this add-on is to simplify animations, so every time you apply the effect, some animation data is removed or baked down. If you're not satisfied with the result, simply undo the process with Ctrl-Z and try again with different values. This way, you're always working with the original animation data, and you can experiment freely without any risk. And that's it, a simple way to give your animation a more organic stop-motion feel.